Hi everyone, today we have an iPhone 6 and we're gonna show you how to replace a battery on it. So first we're just gonna remove the two bottom screws. Then we're gonna start actually separating the screen from the frame. And just wanna let you know, before you do this, power off your device. So just be gentle with the screen. Don't force it too much so you don't crack it. Always start the screen from the bottom. Now we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. There is two screws that needed to be removed. So we're gonna remove the plates that covers the connector. Then we disconnect the battery. So now we're gonna go ahead and remove the screen. So there is four screws that needed to be removed. Okay, now we're going to disconnect the cables that connect the screen and the home button to the logic board. Now we're gonna pull up the black tape. Just pull it up a little bit and you're gonna see a white adhesive underneath the tape. So once you have access to the white tape, just use your fingers. If you have some type of fingernail, try to use it and just gently pull the tape out little by little. And just want to let you guys know, this is the safest and the easiest way to remove the battery, because I tried before removing it by warming up the phone and putting an apply tool underneath the battery, and I end up having an explosion. So this is the easiest and the safest way. And that was it. Just by pulling the tape, it's nice and easy to remove the battery. Now we're just gonna put the new battery. I'm gonna apply a new tape, a double siding tape. And please, while you guys watching this video, if you like it, try to subscribe to my channel, like and share, just to support us so we can make more videos. And if you have any comments, just leave it down there. And I would like to thank you guys for watching. So now we're just gonna place the tape. So we just fold that cable up a little bit. Okay, now that we got our new battery installed, we're just gonna connect it to the logic board. Then after that, we're just gonna follow the same steps we did to remove the screen. So we're gonna connect the connectors one at a time. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you could share it with your friends. Leave a comment down below if you have any comments. And for a support, if you could actually subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.